In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fog light on your Toyota Highlander, located in the front bumper. The process is the same for the driver's side as the passenger side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 10mm bolts on the lower splash shield. And then using a pair of clip pliers, I'm going to remove this one clip. So you do that, push back, and pull down to reveal the back of the fog light. Using a Phillips head screwdriver or bit, remove the 2 screws on the side of the fog light housing cover. And there's one up here. Once you have those 2 out, there's a clip on the back over here, the little push tab on the side. I'm going to grab a pair of pliers and just squeeze that clip down while pulling back to release it. Like that. On the left side of the fog light assembly on this harness, there's a little tab right here. We're going to pull back on it, which will release the clip, and then we can pull the harness off, then go to the bulb and push in on the tab on the connector and pull down, pushing right here and pulling down. There's one more Phillips head screw on the top right. We're going to remove that now. Remove that screw and pull out, and then push to the right to release the fog light. And there it is. Install your new fog light. I like to keep the plastic on just to avoid any possible scratches that could happen. Put it in on the left and slide it in, and then tilt it forward. Install the screw. Install the connector. Push it till you hear a click. Install the wiring harness bracket back on. Install the splash shield. Goes under all of the other ones. Push it up into place. Put this lip under the front bumper. Install your 3 10mm bolts. And 1 clip. And snug them down. When I installed the fog light, I like to keep the plastic on to avoid any possible scratches that could happen. Pull it down off the lip just a bit, so when it's in this position, you can take it and just remove it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.